Hello and good morning. I am Tom from Tom's Music Shop, and today I want to show you how to mend bellows ribs once they've been rubbed off. So let's take a look. This right here is what can happen if you play the accordion for too long and have it resting on your knee or on your belly. So I want to adjust that. Please be sure to like and subscribe. You can buy this stuff here directly from eBay or Amazon. You can find that anywhere online. It's called Bellows Tape. I like to use wood glue for that. You first want to see which is your longest strip that you're going to need. For me, that looks about right. And then just put some wood glue on there, press it on, let it dry, and move on to the next one. I like to do first the evens and then the odds. So let's say this is number 2, 4, 6, and then I'll go and do 3, 5, 7. Obviously you want to choose the color as best as you can. It's not always that easy to get exactly the same color. Over time, these bellows strips age. They may turn from gold to green or from black to a dark gray. Just do your best. It's better that the bellows ribs are protected than not at all. So it's somewhat of a lengthy process to do this to a lot. And there are these strips made of vinyl. They also have strips made more of like a paper material. I would recommend those because they're easier to work with. The vinyl ones take longer to set here, but I think the vinyl lasts longer.